So this morning I was browsing through the internet, right? And I keep seeing people saying, expats is leaving the Philippines. But quite honestly, man, let's get into it. Get into the real reason why expats is leaving the Philippines. The first reason why they ain't leaving the Philippines is probably because they ain't got no thick skin. Being out here in the Philippines, you gotta have thick skin, especially if you out here for an extended amount of time, because you probably out here by yourself. You ain't got no family members out here with you. You out here by yourself, and you can't. A lot of guys can't take it. It's a different country, different atmosphere. They come out here with unrealistic expectations, then they get a reality check. So that skin got to be thick. You got to be kind of tough out here. If you're going to be out here, you need to really be focused at being out here. And a lot of people ain't going to like what I got to say, and that's cool with me. I'm cool with that. The truth is always the truth. It's going to be the truth, nothing but the truth. It's unforgiving. It doesn't care what you think. It's the truth. Now, you need to do a self-reality check before you even decide to make the journey to come over here and stay. That's just the realness in me speaking. All right? Another reason why you guys is leaving is because you're coming over here with a finite amount of money. Okay? And when I say finite, that means a limited amount of money. Okay? Maybe you got $300,000 in your account. Maybe you got $1 million in your account. I don't know. All right? But you still got limited resources because you don't have no money replacing the money that you're spending. And when you run out of that money, guess what you're going to have to do? You're going to have to turn right back around and go back to where you came from. Then you got to go try to make that money again. Another thing y'all are doing with the money that y'all got, y'all coming out here and y'all spending y'all bag on these females. You're not spending your money trying to sustain yourself. You out here trying to impress the females, because what do men do? All right? They out here trying to impress the females. A lot of guys come out here for the women anyway. They not coming out here to live. And when the well dry up out here, guess where they going? They going to the other country. Oh, I can't take it in the Philippines. I don't like it out here. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you don't like it out here. They done ran your bag. I wouldn't like it either. That's just, the realness in me speaking. And people don't like what I got to say. I'm really okay with that. All right? Another thing that your guys are doing is y'all coming out here with unreal expectations. You think you're finna be this big shot millionaire out here. Listen, it costs to be a boss. Okay? That's facts. Nothing but the truth. It costs to be a boss. If you're going to be a boss out here, you got to understand you got to pay for that status out here. Just like you got to pay for that status anywhere else in the world. Okay? You can't come out here and just buy you this 5-star mansion and think you finna live the American dream out here and not expect people to try to jump on a bandwagon. You the boss. They want a piece of that. Come out here with no unrealistic expectations. You need to come out here and get a feel for the place. You need to understand what's out here. Okay, this is a country just like anywhere else. And yeah, the cost of living is low. I'm not going to say that it's not. But guess what? It still costs. You still got to pay. So balance your paycheck. Balance what you got coming in. If you're on a fixed income or retirement income, understand the level of cost that you're going to put out there. Understand how much you finna put out there. Understand what your budget is. If you boss, come on, boss. Come on, boss. Be a boss. Balance your checkbook. If you got people in place to do certain things for you, you boss. You got people doing your laundry. You got people cleaning your house. You got a shawty coming to your crib to cook for you. You got a shawty coming to your crib to be at your crib. It costs to play out here. Another thing that y'all doing out here, reason why y'all gotta leave, because y'all came out here with broke health. And I'm sorry, I'm coming at y'all raw. Y'all coming out here with busted health. You know what I'm saying? You got a pacemaker smoking cigarettes talking about you all right, and then you land in the Philippines and have a heart attack. Right? Oh, the healthcare system sucks. They probably do. But guess what? Your health sucks. Because you failed to take care of you before you came out here. And don't nobody supposed to feel sorry for you. If you don't feel sorry for yourself, ain't nobody else gonna feel sorry for you. Go ahead and give yourself a hug. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Talk you some trash. Say what you gotta say, because I really don't care. Because quite honestly, if you're gonna be out here for the right reason. Love yourself enough to come to do something for the right reason. And I'm only telling you this because I actually care. I truly, truly care. I don't even gotta know you to care. If you're gonna fly 8,000 miles to come over here in the Philippines, you need to be enjoying yourself and you need to prepare yourself to be over here. Come out here with these unrealistic expectations. You come out here like you on vacation and see what this place is like. And then while you on vacation, evaluate to yourself, can I live here? Is this a place of comfort for me? Does this place resonate with who I am as a person? Because if it don't, then you know you're not supposed to be here. Enjoy your vacation. Come out here with sour tastes. Oh, I can't take it. The Philippines isn't what it used to be. It ain't supposed to be what it used to be. It's changing. They're building infrastructure. What you expect these people to do? Stay down and be poor for the rest of their lives? They're not going to do that. They want to elevate just like everybody else wants to elevate. So if you come out here, expect to see elevation. Expect people to try to do better for themselves. Come out here thinking because you got money and you got more money than them, it's supposed to stay that way. Oh, the Philippines is too expensive. Yeah, it's supposed to be getting expensive. Okay? But guess what? You're privileged. You're able to come out here. You're able to live out here. You're able to support yourself while you're out here. You're able to do all these great things and stuff like that. And you're a foreigner. And you're even able to pay for the immigration. What you complaining for? Enjoy your time. And if you don't enjoy your time no more, take your butt home. Or go to another country and enjoy yourself. Okay? Life is too short to be worried about what's wrong. Figure out what's right. Live in what's right. Don't worry about what's wrong, because everything is wrong. If you want the truth, everything is wrong with this world. Everything is wrong with this world. Somebody in your family right now got bigger problems than you worried about what's wrong with the Philippines. Life is too short for all that stuff like that. And another thing, a lot of y'all ain't even willing to change. How you gonna change if you're not willing to change? You don't want nothing in life if you don't want to change. You want to stay where you at. So if you want to stay where you at, guess what you need to do? Stay where you at. What you over here for? Because over here, when you over here because you want to change your lifestyle. You want to change the dynamics of where your life has been going. When you want to live out here. And that take thick skin. That take thick skin. You got to be a man out here. You can't be out here as no sex pat. You got to be a man out here. You got to stand up for yourself. You got to hold your own. Because I'm telling you, ain't nobody else going to hold your own. You in a foreign country. I don't care what country you in. And their government ain't going to step in and help you the same way they help their citizens. And out here, the Philippine government, they have a hard time helping their own citizens. What you think they finna do with you? You an American. You are a British person. You're from Great Britain. You from these big countries. Support yourself. You got the means to come out here. You got the means to support yourself. Okay? A lot of y'all come out here for the wrong reasons. Don't come out here to be no sex pat. Be an expat. Come out here for the right reason. Don't come out here with these broke expectations. Expect reality when you walk up in here. But while you expecting that reality, expect yourself to have some fun. Have some fun in the process. Stop worrying about what you don't need to worry about. It ain't gonna change. It ain't gonna change nothing. Just because you mad at something that's going on in the Philippines don't mean it's gonna change. It's raining right now. Okay? It's raining right now. And when I say it's raining cats and dogs outside right now. I can go swimming in my front yard. And I ain't even got no front yard. I'm in an apartment complex. I can go swimming right now. Am I complaining? No, I'm inside the house. I got my AC going on. Ain't got no furniture. But I got my house going on. I got my fan up in here. I got the kitchen. I'm all right. I ain't mad. I ain't paying $2,000 a month in rent. Back at where I'm at. What I'm complaining for? Y'all need to come out here and understand what you're out here for. You know, Hear a lot of people saying, "Oh, the visa process. Oh, they changed the visa process." Okay, so what? You can still afford to be out here. Find time to enjoy time. Find time to enjoy who you are instead of worrying about what you can't fix. Instead of worrying about the things that don't matter. You better than that. God knows you better than that. And most importantly, you know you better than that. And if the shoe fit, wear it. I'm just throwing, listen, I'm just like Charleston White said, I'm just throwing rocks. And if the thing hits you, holler. Okay? I'm throwing rocks, and if the rocks hit you, holler. If it don't pertain to you, hey, you ain't no need for you to take offense to it. And I'm just being as real as possible. I'm being transparent because, again, the truth is the truth. All right? The Philippines is a beautiful country, just like many countries are around the world. They got their ups and they got their downs. But when you find your balance, when you can stand up for the first time in the Philippines, then you can make a true assessment of if you want to be here or not. But before you make that assessment and you out here doing all these crazy things and stuff like that, don't judge the book because you in here tearing up the pages. You done tore up the damn pages and you want to judge what's going on in the store. Man, you done tore up everything in your life. And you mad at everybody else because you ain't happy. Find a place of happiness in yourself and then go find you a place to be. Love yourself. Enjoy who you are as a person. Stop getting mad at everything that you can't control. You don't run the world. You don't run nothing but yourself. That's the only person that you run. You run you. Period.com. Everybody want to get mad at the wrong. Man, it's crazy as hell. Enjoy your life, man. Enjoy your life. I mean, I wish all of y'all peace, love, and happiness. Smile. I know I got a little frown on my face, and just because I speak with emotion and passion. But trust me, I like it out here. I'm enjoying myself, and I ain't tripping on nothing. All right, you gotta have thick skin out here. You need to, and if you out here, you need to be a man or a woman. You need to be a man or a woman out here. You need to have thick skin out here. Love yourself. Okay. Until next time, I'll holler at y'all boys later. Peace.